In order to upload your video, what you need to do is click on Add Materials, click on File, click File, click Attach, and find your video, and then click Open. I will not do that because I know that it will not work. The reason it doesn't work because my video is 2.26 gigabytes. But Schoology only allowed a maximum of 512, so I know that's not going to work. So the way to solve that problem is I just open up my video again, and then I go to File, and then I just export as 480 will definitely work for a 10 minutes video, and 720 pixels should also work too. So that's how you solve it. The reason I know that it's gonna work because I did a 10 minutes video and then I upload to Schoology. This right here is 480 pixels. 720 work too, but when you upload to Schoology, it will be a little bit slower. That's pretty much it. See ya.